Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harida. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, thumbs up, and click on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I have this K9 mini wireless lavalier microphone here with me. I want to unbox it with you guys and also connect it. So this is it here. This is the K9. Yeah, this is how it is. This is the back, and this is the side, and this is the front. So guys, this K9, the one I bought it before. I bought K8. This is K9. I bought K8 before, and guys, I didn't know how to connect this thing. I returned it and said it wasn't working because I plugged it in and out. It didn't work. It didn't work. But I didn't know that for you to use it with a certain phone, some certain kind of phone, you have to do some things, which I'm going to show you guys. So I bought the one I returned the first one, by the way. This is another one I just bought. And when I bought this one, I did the same thing and I noticed that, wow, so I was the one that didn't even know how to use it in the first place. Okay, so I bought the one I got is the one that you can use with iPhone and Android. Yeah, type C. It has type C and for iPhone. So let's just open it up and see what we have inside. So this is just very simple packaging. Yeah, very, very simple packaging. So I'm just going to open it up and show you guys how it is inside. So this is it here. I bought like I said earlier, I bought the one for iPhone type C. Yeah, for iPhone type C, one mic, two mics. Yeah, I bought the one with iPhone type C and two mics. So this is the first mic here. This is the first mic here. Then put that down. This is the type C here. This is the one for iPhone, like I can connect with iPhone. Then this is the second mic, and here we have the charger. And also there is the manual inside. Let's just open this up and see. Comes with this cute little thing here. Okay, and this is the manual. So it's just basically telling you how to set it up. Okay, and here we have the charger. The cable. Is it cable? Just the charger wire. So you have to get charger head to connect it. So this is the type C. Comes with the type C. Yeah, that is it. So it has two places for charging. You can charge it here. You can charge this one. I think you can charge this as well. So you can plug it here to charge. Then for the I think this space is this is not for charging, by the way. It's just there. I'm just plugging it in to see. Then this is where you charge your microphone. This port here, you plug it in and you charge it here. So what I'm going to do, okay, I'm filming with my Samsung right now, so I'm just going to connect to my iPhone. I'm just going to show you guys how to connect this with iPhone. With iPhone, it's easy to connect with iPhone. Just plug and play, and you're good to go. But I'm just going to show you guys and compare the audio. This is me now. I'm not using any mic here. I'm not using any mic, but let's connect to my iPhone and see what we have. So I have my iPhone. This is the one for the iPhone. You just plug it in. Then you use this one on it. When you see a light, there's a red light that will show in here. I don't think you can see it from the video. That once the red light shows, you know that it's connected. You're good to go. So I'm just going to power this on now. Once it shows green light, then it's on. Let's do that together. Yeah, I can see the light there, so it's on now. So I'm just going to switch the camera to my iPhone. Now, even though I'm not filming with my iPhone, so you cannot get the audio here. So I'm just going to film with my iPhone now, so you can get the audio from this mic. So guys, it's connected to the iPhone now, and this is the mic here. Let's just see, and let's just I can is it how is the audio now? Not putting it close. I believe you can go not quite far, like a bit far, and talk with this mic. But let me take it closer to my mouth and see. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me testing the K9 microphone. We're talking about this microphone, wireless microphone. So this is me testing this K9 microphone with my iPhone. So all I did was just plug it into the iPhone and it start working. But it's not like that for the Samsung. I didn't know that at first, but I'm going to show you guys in case you're using Android. I think some Android too, you just plug it and it works. But for Samsung, I don't know. My Samsung is Samsung. This is Samsung I'm using, Samsung A40. I don't know. You can try with other phone. Just try and plug it and see if you're using Android phone. So if it did not work, watch the next video. I'm going to show you how I connected it and it's working with my Samsung. So guys, for you to connect with Samsung, and you just go to that app. When you open download after downloading the app, you open it, then you open your camera. You open the app, open camera, then you go to settings. The settings, you go to settings, go to video settings, then scroll down to audio source. This is it here, audio source. Scroll down to audio source, click on it. Mine is set up already, so you just check yours. If it's not set, just click on external mic if present. Click on external mic if present, then you connect it and it will be working fine. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you're using this, how is it for you, or if there's another setting you know of, you can also let me know, because in the sample here it says if you're using Samsung, you should connect to OTG. Is it OTG? Let me see that again. Yeah, OTG. Just go to your settings and check on OTG. If it is off, just put it on and plug it to start working. But I don't think this my Samsung. I've tried to look for the OTG. I cannot find it there. Maybe this one doesn't have it. So guys, if you watch up to this point, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, comment and share this video. And I bought mine for this. It's very expensive, very expensive here in Nigeria, because of the dollar rate too. So I bought this. I don't know if I should tell you guys, the price is kind of somehow. I bought it from China, by the way, and I was going to bring in some of my goods. I was going to restock my goods, because I sell handbags. So I just like, okay, let me just buy one and put it into my shipment. And it came in with my shipment with other things I was expecting. So I wouldn't say maybe, you know, that I will definitely buy it cheaper. But for here, I've seen where they are selling, especially this one that comes with 2 mic, Android and iPhone. I've seen it here for like 20k, 18, 20. I've seen 25, but I'm sure of 18, 20 and 25k. Yeah, but if you want to buy it the way I bought it, by the time you add shipping and everything, it will you still get the same price they're selling here, almost the same price they're selling here. So just take it that you can get it for like maybe from 10,000, 15,000. The last one I bought is just 1 mic. I bought that one on Jumia for 8,000 naira. So but this one with 2 mic, Android port and iPhone port, budget like 20k or 25k. But I bought it way cheaper because I added it into the shipment I was expecting. So that way I didn't pay shipping. So you understand the price. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.